Computer assembly. First step, we need to wear anti-static wrist strap and remove all the accessories or jewelries. After that, we need to clean all the parts. We use air compressor and brush. We need to put thermal paste on the CPU. Mount the CPU and heat sink assembly. We need to secure it properly and insert the RAM. Mount the motherboard properly, and we need to secure all the screws. Slide all the storage drives into their respective base and secure them with standard drive mounting screw. Also, we need to connect the power supply unit internal cables. After doing that, we need to retouch the side panel properly and secure all the screws.